Hello everyone, welcome to Hidevs Community Streamlit series. In this series, we will cover all our Streamlit applications on Jupyter Notebook machine learning projects. So let's start. So today's topic is income classification. We have created this web application using Streamlit, which is used to classify the income of a particular person. So here are some of the parameters which take the input from the users and is used to predict the income of particular person. So we will enter one example values and see what prediction the model makes. So for example, we will enter the age of a person like 30. Then work class, we will enter private here in work class. Then final weight 70. Education BTech. Educational number, we will enter 17 here. Then marital status married, and then occupation engineer. Then relationship with other person, we will enter husband. Then race means color white. Sex male. Capital gain, we will enter here some example values, dummy value like 40. Capital loss, we will keep it as 0. Hours per week, we will enter for example 30. Then native country India. Then we will click on this predict income button, and you can see that the prediction is the income is less than or equal to 50,000. So you can check the source files by clicking on this files option, and here you can see the app.py file, requirement.txt file. So you can check the source code by clicking on this app.py file, and here you can check all the code which is used to written to make this UI on Streamlit. So who is Hidevs? Before explaining about Hidevs, I am excited to share some good news with all of you today, that we have successfully placed 10 plus students in various renowned companies. So if you also want to get placed, please join our community and get one step closer to your dream job. So coming to Hidevs, who is Hidevs? So Hidevs is first open community which will help you to get straight to second round of interview. If you are having any trouble in how to start career in data science, you want to improve your resume, not getting interview calls, want to switch from non-tech to tech, Hidevs is here for you. We will help to learn any technology, solve problems with ChatGPT, personalize your mock interview, and improve resume, cover letter, LinkedIn profile, etc. So what makes us unique? So everything is free of cost, and we have one-on-one mentorship. We will follow industrial approach. We will hire industrialists from various companies to get your job. We organize mock interviews for you. So we provide various resources to get you your dream job. So join now to get your dream job. Thank you.